Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare glutathione at home. First, you'll want to source pure glutathione powder from a trusted vendor to ensure quality and safety. Next, make sure your workspace and all tools are thoroughly cleaned and sanitized. This prevents contamination and ensures the integrity of your preparation. Finally, determine the specific concentration you need for your intended application, as this will guide your measurements. To begin, you'll need pure L-glutathione powder and high-quality distilled water, which is crucial for purity. A precise digital scale is essential for accurately measuring your glutathione powder, often in milligrams. Additionally, gather clean mixing containers, a small whisk or stirring rod, and appropriate airtight storage bottles to hold your finished product. Accuracy here ensures consistency. Now let's prepare your solution. Carefully measure your desired amount of glutathione powder, for example, 500 milligrams, using your digital scale. Then, add a specific volume of distilled water, such as 50 milliliters, to the powder in your clean mixing container. Gently stir the mixture until the glutathione powder is completely dissolved, ensuring a uniform solution. Avoid vigorous shaking. Once prepared, store your glutathione solution in an airtight, dark glass bottle in a cool, dark place, like a refrigerator, to maintain its potency. It's best to use your homemade solution within 7 to 10 days to ensure maximum freshness and effectiveness. And speaking of keeping things fresh, check out the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals. Remember to always consult a professional for personalized advice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.